Hi humans, here are 10 times the universe almost deleted Earth. Number 1. The asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. 66 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. They had teeth. They had feathers, and they had no idea what was coming. Then one day, space blinked. A 6-mile-wide asteroid slammed into what is now Mexico. The explosion released more energy than 10 billion Hiroshima atomic bombs. The sky turned black, fires raged, and tsunamis crossed oceans. Everything not already cooked got frozen in a nuclear winter. It didn't just kill the dinosaurs. It ended 75% of all life on Earth. Entire ecosystems blinked out in days. And the worst part, it wasn't personal. Just cosmic debris on a collision course with destiny. Earth took the hit, life started over, and now we're here. Living on a planet that's already failed a boss fight once. Number 2. The 2012 solar superstorm. In July 2012, the sun let loose a massive coronal mass ejection, basically a solar lung full of charged particles, burst out and hurled itself into space, thankfully, not toward Earth. But here's the thing, if it had happened just 9 days earlier, we would have been directly in the blast path. Scientists say it would have caused a global technological blackout, fried satellites, collapsed power grids, turned every airplane into an awkward glider, and sent us back to candlelight and carrier pigeons. This wasn't a theory, this was real, measured, and tracked. The sun basically threw a punch, and we accidentally dodged it. Number 3. Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. In 1994, a comet shattered into pieces and slammed into Jupiter like the universe fired a shotgun at our solar system. 21 fragments hit the gas giant one after another, creating fireballs the size of Earth. If those chunks had been aimed at us, it would have been game over. No second chances, global extinction. But Jupiter, massive and clearly underappreciated, absorbed the entire impact like a planetary bodyguard. Scientists watched in awe. The rest of us didn't notice, but make no mistake, that could have been our turn. And Jupiter took the hit. If that planet ever quits its job, we're next. Number 4. The 1977 gamma ray burst scare. In 1977, scientists detected a massive gamma ray burst, a flash of radiation from deep space powerful enough to boil atmospheres and scramble DNA from light years away. No warning, no buildup. Just a blip. Gamma ray bursts are the most energetic events in the known universe. This one wasn't aimed at us, but had it been closer or angled our way, Earth might have gone from a thriving biosphere to a sterilized rock before anyone could even say, "What's that light?" Number 5. The Apophis Panic. In 2004, scientists discovered an asteroid and named it Apophis, after the Egyptian god of chaos, which is never a good sign. They did the math and realized it had a 1 in 37 chance of hitting Earth in 2029. Let that sink in. They had a date, Friday, April 30th. The asteroid is as wide as the Empire State Building is tall. Had it hit, we'd be looking at continent-level damage. Eventually, better data said we were safe, but for a few months, we were all staring at space like it owed us rent money. Number 6. The 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor. On February 15, 2013, a 20-meter asteroid came screaming into Earth's atmosphere. It exploded midair over Chelyabinsk, Russia. With the force of 30 Hiroshima bombs, the shockwave shattered windows in 6 cities, and over 1,500 people were injured. Guess what? No one saw it coming. It entered from the direction of the sun like a cosmic sniper. If it had come in at a slightly different angle or exploded lower, it would have vaporized the city. Number 7. The 2019 OK asteroid. On July 25, 2019. A city-killer asteroid the size of a football field passed Earth closer than the moon. The scariest part. Again, we didn't see it until it was already gone. No early warning, no heroic speeches. It slipped past every telescope like a cosmic ninja. If it had hit, it could have leveled a city the size of Los Angeles. Instead, it politely missed us by about 70,000 kilometers. The asteroid was officially named 2019 OK, which is funny because it was absolutely not okay. Number 8. The 774 AD solar event. In the 8th century, the sun sneezed out a blast of radiation so intense it left permanent marks in tree rings. Back then, it just made the atmosphere twitch. If an event like that happened today, GPS down, power grids fried, and every satellite turned into a paperweight. The universe left a receipt in the wood, and it reads, "Try me again." Number 9. The 1908 Tunguska explosion. On June 30, 1908, something exploded over the Siberian wilderness, flattening trees across 800 square miles. No crater, no impact debris. Just fars gone. We still don't know exactly what did it. But we do know this: if it had hit a populated area, it would have wiped the city off the map. The only reason it wasn't a catastrophe is because it hit literally the middle of nowhere. And number 10, the Carrington event of 1859. The sun unleashed a solar flare so massive it lit up the sky with auroras as far south as the Caribbean. And then it set telegraph wires on fire. Literally. Operators got shocked, and equipment sparked. It was the biggest geomagnetic storm in recorded history. If it happened today, one solar tantrum and modern civilization becomes extremely offline, all from one fiery burp that traveled 93 million miles just to remind us who's in charge. Thanks for watching. Humans, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this.